Vice President ka United Democratic Party uba Alan Tridkar ulapan pa ba watlada ka party kalay sno lang hakat sorkar MDA hapo ka jingilam joga National People's Party Henry ka khlam sngap man ya ka jingle mon jogi menteri ki badan hak sorkar habaya kran ba uba Alan ulayathu baka de ka UDP ka bala letting e hado ba James ke sangma hak por budang bat kumu menteri kampo yeng ulasya slot bat kumju ru hak jingkynnoh bamsap hak scheme boarding.
That's not true. The role of the opposition is always to criticize and attack the ruling. Well, I have not been privy to the attacks and accusations, but in the various debates that I have attended, I have counted it the way it's supposed to be.
You have also mentioned that it was the UDP who have ensured that James was dropped as Home Minister.
See, just because we are in a coalition does not mean that we have to sing the same song, especially in light of the fact that we are heading to polls on our own. We have to espouse the cause of our own. And when I say that, I'd like to take you back to the time when points of differences were raised within the coalition to show that we have our own ideology, our own principles that guide us. That is why when there was a big hue and cry over the illegal transportation of coal and illegal mining, and Mr. James Sangma, the then Home Minister, was accused of being the culprit of facilitating all this, we as a party took it upon ourselves and impressed upon the Chief Minister the need to change portfolios. And the Chief Minister had done that. And fortunately or unfortunately, he had handpicked our MLA to be the next Home Minister. Then came the MECL imbroglio, the Saubhagya scam, and then so many other scams that were, the Watai scheme that was riddling in MECL. There too, we put our foot down and said we cannot tolerate such kind of happenings in the MECL. It is incumbent upon the Chief Minister to remove the Power Minister as well as the CMD, who was a very junior IAS officer then, who was heading, and that was done. So it does not mean that just because we're in the coalition, we have to defend each and everything that the government has done. Because at the end of the day, the buck stops with the Chief Minister. He leads the cabinet. He leads the government. State Police Department is bereft of the required strength to impose the NGT ban.
So what's the UDP in the know on the existence of a high level that facilitates all these illegal activities in the state?
We have come to know through social media, through media reports. Other than that, we have no knowledge.
Has the UDP at any point of time raised this issue with the Chief Minister? Why, a high level or a syndicate, as people allege, exists in the government?
Well, the Chief Minister had asked us to substantiate and prove that. So that process could not materialize because, as you know, there were other developments in the course of time, and we were more focused on getting our party to lead the government, because from the past experiences while partnering with Congress in the previous government, then now with another national party, the NPP, we have come to realize that we need to appeal to the electorate to give us one chance, the way they did in 1998. But sadly, in 1998, the absence of the anti-defection law brought down the government in the middle of its tenure. This time round, we are hopeful that the people will listen to our humble appeal, that they will give us the mandate to lead the government, and then we will showcase our mettle, which we have proven in the past.
Meghalaya, ka jingsngan ha ka imlang salang, ningkong, baro ki jingkyshan by bam, lingba ka social welfare, ansa kentiw siya ka siya jating ka sibenay, kata kalong kat ar jating ka snem.
Hakane ka apnyo trek urumpang, shan ya ka sap jong pi haki artli kisentiw, bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
The mismanagement of sports facilities in Meghalaya is costing the future of our youth dearly. They are lagging behind due to lack of proper training facilities. Is this the Meghalaya we want for our youth? It's time to speak up about the issues that are hampering Meghalaya's development. Share your suggestions with Modi Ji and become a part of Meghalaya's developmental journey. Give a missed call at 836-000-6060. This 27 February, together, let's empower Meghalaya.